The Storm Team Weather Lab, KAMC Meteorologist Jacob Riley.
Well, good Sunday evening. It is a very nice night across the South Plains today. A great way to end a great day. It was very comfortable out there, very seasonal. Luckily, we did stay dry for the most part. Unfortunately, though, it looks like that drier pattern could continue, which isn't the best news for our area farmers. But notice we do have a little bit of rainfall over portions of New Mexico. That's where our clouds came from later this evening. But it looks like we could actually bring a little bit more of that rain into our area later this week. Notice as we go throughout your Monday tomorrow, as we head into the afternoon and evening hours, pretty similar to what we saw today, seeing a little bit more of that cloud coverage increase across the area. Maybe a sprinkle or two here or there across the region, but really not looking like much rain. Notice though, by Tuesday tries to show a few more sprinkles across the area by Tuesday evening. You know it's been dry across the area whenever we get excited for these few little green dots that begin to pop up on the radar. But it looks like we could see a little bit more as we head into your Wednesday. So notice over the next couple of days, we'll keep an isolated chance of rain there for Tuesday and Thursday. But by Wednesday, we're going to go ahead and call it for a 20% chance of some scattered showers and storms across the area. Now, I just want to make it clear, not everyone is going to see rain, but it looks like we could see an increased chance across at least some portions of the South Plains here as we get into Wednesday. Notice though, we are over 1.5 inches below normal so far for this year. So let's take a look at what we could see towards the middle of the week. Notice by Wednesday, we begin to see more of that moisture work into our area. This is Wednesday evening, overnight Wednesday into Thursday. That does begin to fall apart. A couple more clouds across the area. Some isolated showers will again be possible, but then Thursday evening into Friday morning, we could see a little bit more. So what are we looking at in terms of totals? The GFS are a little over 1/10 of an inch possible here in Lubbock. Notice though, areas to our west along the Texas and New Mexico state line will have the best chance to see some of that rainfall here Tuesday through Thursday of this week. Now again, not guaranteeing that everyone will see rain, but it does look likely that we could see a couple of showers or storms, especially to the west of Interstate 27 sometime towards the middle of the week this week. Now, when we take a look at our 6 to 10 day precipitation outlook from the Climate Prediction Center, what you'll notice is we do have a slightly above average chance to see some precipitation here. Notice areas back down towards Florida, the Florida Peninsula as well. They're a little bit below average there, but even on through the next 8 to 14 day outlook as well, it looks like we could be slightly above average for this time of year. So average precipitation for this time of year really isn't a whole lot, but again, it looks like we could see a little bit more than usual. Now notice we do have that high pressure system over us right now, but notice what happens Tuesday into Wednesday. We have this low pressure system begin to move in from the northwest. It will stay just to our north, but it will kind of provide a trough axis through our area Wednesday on into Thursday, and that's what's going to bring those rain chances in. And then notice we will go to more of a northwesterly flow here as we get into next week. So what that's going to do, kind of give us the potential to see a little bit more of those shower and thunderstorm activity, especially during the summer months when we have that northwesterly flow. It can kind of help increase those shower chances just a little bit. Again, nothing widespread, but any rainfall we could get right now would be greatly beneficial to most of our area. Overnight tonight, very seasonal for this time of year. Once again, getting down to the middle 60s, 64 in Lubbock, 59 though in Muleshoe and Clovis. Areas to our northwest will be our coolest locations overnight tonight. Those winds out of the southeast around 10 to 15 miles an hour. Over the next 7 days, Matt called it earlier, a 90s week in store for us. We'll see those highs in the lower to middle 90s the first half of this week, but as we head into next weekend, things begin to warm up for Saturday, the first day of summer, and for Father's Day, we could see a couple more showers across the area. Stick with us. Eric Kelly is up in Red Raider Nation after the break.